and girls, and welcome to this week's virtual assembly. I hope that you and your families are managing to stay safe and well, and I have a few things I want to share with you just before we get started. First of all, Mrs Macready has a new Some Dog competition starting this week. All the details you need are on Glow, and there will be certificates and house points up for grabs. Secondly, Miss Thompson wanted us to give a big shout out to Primary 6B. They've been working on a construction project, and she just wanted to say how proud she is of all the hard work that they're putting into this, and we're looking forward to being able to share some of these pictures with you really soon. Last of all, I just want to say how much you teachers appreciate all your emails and messages and photographs that you send to them every week. And coming up next, we have some examples of some of that lovely work for you to enjoy.
Everybody's saying, too square, too small, too posh, too tall. Everybody's saying, but who do you listen to? 'Cause after all I'm telling you, you are a star, just the way you are. Are a star, just the way you are. You're a star. Too silly, too bossy, too smelly, too fussy. Everybody's saying, too weak, too sad, too good, too bad. Everybody's saying, but who do you listen to? 'Cause after all I'm telling you, you are a star, just the way you are. You are a star. Everybody's saying, too dumb, too deep, too tea, fruity. Everybody's saying, but who do you listen to? 'Cause after all I'm telling you, you are a star, just the way you are.
Boys and girls, I hope you've had a good week. This week should have actually been our health week, but unfortunately we're not in school. So we've decided over the next couple of weeks in Assembly that we are going to focus on health and well-being and looking after ourselves. This week at school, the teachers and the rest of the staff have all been very busy looking at the 5 ways to better well-being and thinking about little changes that they can make in their lives that can have a really positive impact on their overall health and well-being. So we're going to tell you a little bit more about the 5 ways to better well-being today, and we'd like you to have a think about how you could make changes in your lifestyle too. And it's up to you if you want to keep that information to yourself, or you can share it with us and we'd love to hear your ideas. How are you connecting with your friends and family? We have lots of technology that helps us to keep in touch, but sometimes it's nice to think of other ways, like sending a letter or a card. You could send a coded secret message to your friend, or you could make a poster for your window to say hello to your neighbours and your friends. Number 2 is being active. There are lots of ways to stay active in lockdown. You can go for a walk, cycle or scoot in the park. You can be doing workouts like Joe Wicks or Cosmic Kids on YouTube. You can learn a new dance or make up your own. You could be making an obstacle course in your garden or your living room. Being active is not only good for keeping your body healthy, it also gives you a mental boost too. Number 3 is all about taking time. We've been learning lots about mindfulness at school, and now is the time to put it into practice. Try to take time to be in the present. Stop and take time to listen to the sounds and look at the sights all around you. Why not try one of the activities from Mrs. Bell's Mindfulness PowerPoint this week? Number 4 is learning. We have been so impressed with the schoolwork that you are doing at home, but learning doesn't have to just be about school. What new skills could you be learning at home? Maybe you need to learn to tie your shoelaces. Maybe you want to learn to cook or to play an instrument. Learning gives your confidence a big boost and can really make you feel good about yourself. Number 5 is giving. Giving doesn't mean you have to give away all your money to charity. There are lots of ways to give. You can give up your time to help others. You can get involved with a charity or a project that's important to you. You can make a gift or a card and send it to somebody to make them smile. When you give to others, it can make them feel happy, but can also make you feel good about yourself too. Have a think about the 5 ways to better well-being that I've told you about today. I'll send out some more information to your Glow email on Monday with a grid you can fill out to plan all the positive changes you can make in your well-being today. Why not make some positive changes in your life today? We would love to see how you are connecting, how you are being active, how you are taking time and spending time in the present, how you are learning, of course, and also how you are giving of your time. So you don't need a lot of time, you don't need a lot of space or money. Sometimes just the simplest of things can bring you the most fun, and lots of laughs is very good for you. So enjoy!